subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new smartphone under V series in China called Realme V25 with a stylish photochromic back panel which automatically changes the color when exposed to ultraviolet light. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V25 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of RAM that can be extended up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme V25 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.3 by 75.6 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V25 has been priced in China at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Purple MSI, Venus, and Sky Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme V25 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.